Hi there, And for this project, I'm going to be using this jute cord that I got at the dollar store. And you're going to need a hot glue gun and a pair of scissors. I like to start my little circles with this no-sew fabric glue, and that way in the beginning I don't burn my fingers with my hot glue gun. And I like to work on a piece of parchment paper so it's not sticking to my good craft table. And we're just going to start gluing the twine in circles. And I'm not going to do much of a voiceover on this video because it's pretty self-explanatory. So you can just watch me as I design this placemat. And there you have a placemat made out of jute from the dollar store. And I don't even think I used a quarter of the ball, and it was $4. So I made this for probably about $1. And I just love it. It looks perfect in my kitchen. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial and have inspired you to make a placemat for yourself. Thanks for watching and have a great day.